Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Aptoid TV is another FileLinked app replacement. It is one of the best and most reliable third-party app stores, housing millions of apps. In fact, the app catalog it offers is way more interesting than the Google Play Store and Amazon App Store. With Aptoid TV, you can install any apps imaginable on your device.
Let's help you make your mark.
Back in June, the hugely popular FileLinked service, which enabled Amazon Fire TV users to easily install piracy-related apps, disappeared in mysterious circumstances. It's now confirmed that the powerful Alliance for Creativity and Entertainment took FileLinked down.
Take our lead.
You can download it from the Amazon store. You have successfully installed the FileLinked app on Fire Stick using Downloader. You can run the app from the My Apps and Channels section. All you have to do is open the FileLinked app, enter the FileLinked code, and start installing the desired apps.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Droid is an installable catalog of FOSS, free and open-source software, applications for the Android platform. The client makes it easy to browse, install, and keep track of updates on your device.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.